If you understand English perfectly when you listen, but you freeze up completely when it's your turn to speak, it is not because your grammar is bad. It is because your mouth muscles are lazy. Think about it. You spend hours watching videos and listening to podcasts. Your brain is full of English, but your voice is silent. To learn how to run, you have to move your legs. To learn how to speak, you must move your mouth. I'm Henry, and this is Simple Spoken. Today, you are stopping the passive listening. We are starting your 10-minute mouth muscle workout. This is day 1 of our 5-day speaking challenge. We are using the shadowing method. You will hear my voice, and like a powerful echo, you will repeat exactly what I say. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Don't whisper. Speak out loud, right now, wherever you are. Are you ready to change your fluency? Take a deep breath. Let's train. Phase 1. Short sentences to wake up your voice. I will say it once, clearly. Then the screen will glow yellow. That is your cue to speak. Sentence 1. I am breaking my silence. Good. Again with power. I am breaking my silence. Sentence 2. My English is good enough. Believe it when you say it. My English is good enough. Sentence 3. I don't fear mistakes. Perfect. Mistakes are just proof that you are trying. I don't fear mistakes. Sentence 4. I speak slowly and clearly. Beautiful rhythm. Let's do it again. I speak slowly and clearly. Sentence 5. One word at a time. Exactly. No rush. One word at a time. Sentence 6. My voice has value. Let the world hear it. My voice has value. Sentence 7. I can do this. Simple and strong. I can do this. Sentence 8. Today is a new start. Yes, it is. Today is a new start. Sentence 9. I am taking control. I am taking control. Sentence 10. Fluency is coming to me. Fluency is coming to me. Stop right there. Relax your shoulders, roll your neck back, take a deep breath in, and let it out. Listen to me carefully. If the muscles around your jaw or your throat feel a bit tired right now, that is incredible news. It means you are doing the real physical work. Most people quit after 3 minutes because their throat feels strange, but you didn't quit. You are still here, pushing through the discomfort. That is exactly why you are going to become fluent, while others just stay stuck watching videos. Quick fluid check. Sip some water if you have it. Now we're moving to phase 2. The sentences are slightly longer. We're going to practice connecting words together so you sound native, not robotic. Let's step up the game. In English, we don't say word by word. We slide them together. Pay attention to how my words connect. Let's go. Sentence 11. I love the sound of my voice. Notice how sound and of become sound of. Let's try it. I love the sound of my voice. Sentence 12. Every small step counts towards success. Push the sound out. Every small step counts towards success. Sentence 13. I speak English to express, not impress. Say that with pride. I speak English to express, not impress. Sentence 14. It's okay if I mess up today. Connect mess and up to make mess up. It's okay if I mess up today. Sentence 15. My brain is learning a new skill. My brain is learning a new skill. Sentence 16. I can understand more than I think. Trust yourself. I can understand more than I think. Sentence 17. Speaking out loud makes me faster. Speaking out loud makes me faster. Sentence 18. I show up even when it's hard. That's what winners do. I show up even when it's hard. Sentence 19. Tomorrow will be much easier than today. Tomorrow will be much easier than today. Sentence 20. This is my time to speak up. Connect speak and up into speak up. This is my time to speak up. Unbelievable job. Stop, look at yourself, and smile. You didn't just sit there like a statue watching a screen. You opened your mouth, you used your breath, and you spoke English for 10 straight minutes. You are a completely different person than you were when you clicked on this video. You have officially conquered day 1 of the challenge. But remember this, fitness doesn't happen from one trip to the gym. Fluency doesn't happen from one video. If today felt tough, or if your tongue felt twisted, that is your sign to bookmark this video. Come back tonight or tomorrow morning and run this workout one more time. Repetition is where the magic happens. Tomorrow, for day 2, we're moving into real-world conversational phrasing. You don't want to miss it. Do me a favor right now. Scroll down to the comments and type, Henry, I completed day 1. Let me know what country you are practicing from so I can see our global team. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button so YouTube shares this workout with other learners who are struggling, and I will see you right here tomorrow for day 2. Drink some water, be proud of yourself. Goodbye.